Hey everybody, my name is Dave Mckeever. I'm with Richard Hundley. We're with Advanced One Mckeever Real Estate here in Stockton, California, and we're here today to go over the real estate trends of the city of Stockton for the month of January. It's the first month of 2019, so we're going to get into it and talk about how the year's looking. So what happened in January this month, or last month?
Well, as you can see by this chart we have up, first of all, the dark green, which is sales. You can see where they've still continued to drop, kind of our winter normal drop. The lighter green, although, is listings, and they're still staying pretty high. In fact, exactly the same amount as the month before. But the one I like the most on this chart is the pendings. They've turned the red line from 196 the month before to 237 last month. So maybe that's an indication that we're starting to turn this corner and see our springtime move up.
Yeah, I think that's a great indication, especially for the month of January, the first kind of cold month of the year. It just goes to show you there's home buyers out there looking for listings, and that spike is probably about 10% gain, so that's a good indication getting into the first part of the year here. So now moving on to our average days on market graph here. This is a graph showing the increase of our days on market over the last few months. And that's because we've had a lot more listings at the tail end of 2018. There's all indications, and we are officially now in a neutral market, meaning it's not favoring the sellers, it's not favoring the buyers. We are in a 100% neutral market. It's still a great active market. Home buyers are out there, as you saw from the pendings, but it is taking a little bit longer to sell a home now in Stockton. Last month was up to about 46 days. And this is going to be an interesting trend to follow, just because this could be a seasonal winter thing, or it could be a new long-term trend. If you were to look back last year, the same trend happened over the winter months. It took longer to sell a home in the winter months. So as we get into the spring, we'll see what happens at that point of the year.
Yeah, you're right, Dave. And then April looked like it started coming back down. Let's see what happens. A normal market, something we haven't seen in about 3 years.
Right. It's been so pro-seller. So now it's really going to take some good, it's a good opportunity for home buyers. Let's just start there. They have a lot more to choose from. And heck, the interest rates are still fabulous, so it's a great time to be out looking for a home in this market, as there's more homes to choose from. And pricing, we haven't looked at pricing today, but pricing has neutralized. The average sales price and what homes are being listed for all have a neutral trend. So that's another great indication for home buyers that are looking for to make the move this year.
Yeah, buyers, this market's definitely favoring you. Go for it.
That's right. Well, you have anything else to add?
Nope, I think that does it.
Okay, so we appreciate you watching. This is the Stockton, California market update. We'll be back next month to review what happened in February. Thanks for watching.